sound sample of the KA-8 tenor that I'm selling because of a small issue I have, which is called my hands, and also a lack of flexibility because of some scar tissue on these two fingers from an earlier accident, which prevent me from playing barred chords on this wonderful instrument. So unfortunately I'm going to give it up, but play a little bit for you here. I will also post another video from someone who's playing it much better than me, so you'll get a chance to hear this. But it's a fun little instrument, and it's really lovely.